Elecard CodecWorks is a professional modular solution for real-time transcoding, encoding, multiplexing, and demultiplexing. CodecWorks is a software product that allows encoding a streaming video into various formats with different broadcast profiles for various protocols of content delivery. There are some system requirements for successful installation and proper operation of Elecard CodecWorks. For CPU encoding, it is recommended to have CPU Intel 4th generation Xeon E3 and higher. For GPU encoding, Intel QuickSync, it is recommended to have CPU Intel 5th generation Xeon E3 and higher with integrated GPU. Supported operating systems are Windows and Linux. Step 1. Install the graphic card drivers if you use the server with the Intel integrated graphics. A link to the installation manual is given under this video in description. Step 2. Install Elecard CodecWorks. After successful installation of Elecard CodecWorks, the application is located in CodecWorks folder, but all required samples, schemes, and configuration files are located in the following folder. As Elecard CodecWorks supports video streaming, and the product can be managed either locally or via network, it is required to add the firewall exceptions. Start the service. It is highly recommended to check what server interface is used for the service before opening the application via the remote manager or web interface. To get this information, open the configuration file. Find the connection CTRL interface field containing the service address. Open Elecard CodecWorks Manager and create a transcoding scheme from IP to IP. Open pre-installed Elecard CodecWorks Manager running on the Windows operating system in the same network where the server with CentOS is installed. Find the CodecWorks service by already known address and create a transcoding scheme from IP to HLS. Open a web page and create a transcoding scheme from IP to IP using QuickSync transcoder. Each type of management allows visual monitoring of basic transcoding schemes. They display the coding parameters, the number of encoded frames and the number of frames processed per second. The quantity of encoded frames should always increase, but frames per second should always be the same. These are the indicators of successful encoding. Also, in the coding console, you can see the time of the scheme uninterrupted operation. You can see how to set up an advanced monitoring system and how the product reacts to events occurred with the stream in the video configuring SNMP notifications and reactions to events. We understand that sometimes you may need help. Elecard has a support team as well as a business team that can help structure a solution for you. We're able to help address all your video compression needs for projects of any scale and complexity.